Filming on my other camera. Hopefully it's in focus. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I actually was going to do a PR haul in this video, but then I was like, nah, I'm not making it that crazy long. Plus I've got some travel coming up. So stay tuned for that because I'm really excited who I get to showcase in that little video. Anywhoosy whatsy, today we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm by Ipsy. This was sent to me in PR to unbox, so meaning that means I did not get to make pics or anything. The day this is going up is going to hopefully be February 3rd, so hopefully choice is still open. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we unbox, we talk, listen, queen talk a lot over here, okay? We're gonna be doing the things while we unbox, talking a lot, so calm down. I do get questions all the time from my fashion channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. Rhonda, do you wear the temu sets and items that you haul and you buy? Yes, my outfit currently that I have on is from Temu. I freaking love it. If I can find it, I will link it for you guys. I highly recommend it. It comes in other colors too, but they came out with pink and white, and I said say less. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the Boxycharm by Ipsy. This is a monthly subscription. You do get to customize 3 out of the 5 items, and I do have an affiliate link if you do want to go ahead and sign up for this box. There are some big changes coming up when it comes to Ipsy. I don't have the 411, but I'm just telling y'all, I've heard some things, so stay tuned with that. So anyways, this is the box. We do have foam. You guys know I'm a hoe for foam. In here we have a little card, not a pamphlet. This is the Self-Love Starts Here. This month, take a page from Gabrielle Union book on self-love and spoil yourself. Is she not just so beautiful? Like, I just don't think this woman ages. She's absolutely stunning. You can scan the QR code, and this is gonna give you information. Dew of the Gods Juicy Couture Velvet Velour Body Lift Scrub. How do I feel about it? Okay, low-key, I love this Juicy Couture scent. Do you guys remember? Like, it throws me back into like the Paris Hilton, Britney Spears, hip huggers. Could never wear hip huggers. I was just never built for a hip hugger style. But I did love the scent. I couldn't afford it until it like hit TJ Maxx. But either way, I love the Juicy Couture scent. Does it actually smell like that? Oh, that's lovely. I like that. I know there was like different Juicy Coutures. I don't remember the one I had smelling like this. To me, this one is more like cotton candy, yummy, delicious scented, which I like, and I will definitely use that. I will definitely use it. So yay, that's the first item. Now keep in mind, you're customizing 3 out of 5 items. Next in here, we've got the Biro Kale Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. So here's the deal, y'all. If you guys have been with me for a hot doggone minute, that is so freaking bougie, and I was like hard up on Biro skincare for a long time. I will definitely be using this. Why, you ask? Well, let me tell you. I have made it a goal for 2025 to actually make sure to use everything that I buy or that comes in. Rhonda, duh, why would you not? Well, let me tell you, I have this thing where I hyperfixate, and if skincare I'm using, I bought whatever, I will just keep rebuying that same stuff. However, I do have a friend who owns the Fizz facial bar from like Nashville to Georgetown to freaking Arizona, like everywhere, and she said skincare cycling is super important. Now some will say, well, that could get expensive, but if you have a subscription box that typically is sending skincare, it's not really that expensive if you actually use the stuff that's sent. So I am making it for 2025 to not go purchasing skincare all the freaking time. I love skincare. It's kind of my thing and obsession, but no, I'm going to the drawer and I'm pulling something out. If it don't work for me, then we'll start talking. But anyways, that's my little tangent of the day. I like this. Look how cute and bougie that is. Like, aesthetically, very, very nice. It's got hydration to it, and it does say that it's a light air cream powered by an upcycled kale that infuses thirsty, dehydrated skin. Well, I'm old, so you talking to me, baby. And I do like, I saw on here, it is paraben free, it's phthalate free, it's a big word free, which is great, mineral oil free, it's free of a lot of gunk. And if you are curious, it is PETA approved, so I'm going to go with cruelty free. So I will definitely be using that. Next in here, oh, we've got a blush from Tarte. Man, this takes me back. This, by the way, is Natural Beauty shade. So when I like started my channel and you would get like the little Tarte sample blushes in the glam bags. That's my thing for 2025. I don't know why I'm smelling you. I like that color. I like that color a lot. Why? Because it's pink. But my whole thing for 2025 is just freaking using what I have. You know, I think I have just gone so ham sandwich in all the years that I've been on YouTube, which, I mean, we're pushing almost 8 years. And I've just constantly purchased and spent. And it's just silly. I've been so... I say that, and I just bought green corrector, but that is something I actually did not have. Nobody cares. Anyways, I really do like this color. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and it's got like that nice little flush pink, and this is one that I will definitely, nothing's changed there. Still really nice and pretty and pigmented when it comes to Tarte. See, it's just a flush. Soft. It doesn't feel chalky. Feels nice. I like that. Next in here, we've got 2 more products. Oh, we've got a Rare Beauty, which is freaking hilarious because last month I was talking about brands that you all would like to see, and I saw a few comments where you guys had said, I'd like to see more Rare Beauty for 2025. This is, what is this? Oh, it's an eyeshadow stick. All of the above, weightless eyeshadow stick in Contentment. So that's what it looks like. It's really soft. That's pretty. Kind of blends out nicely too. I almost feel like you could probably use that as a highlighter or multi-purpose type of stick if you wanted to. Especially I feel like on a no makeup kind of day, just to pop a little bit on there. That could be pretty. And then the last item in here is by LYS Speak Love Lip Liner Pencil Duo in Devoted and Romantic. So just based off that, I feel like I kind of like those colors. Why did I think it was going to be like a dual-ended? Well, again, I feel like we're sticking with the Y2K vibe here. So we've got a really pretty, oh, speak to me. This is like the Dusty Rose lip liner I currently have on from ABH. That shade, love it. And then, which this was so how I would line my lips in the late 90s, early 2000s, like just like that. I feel like it's coming back, guys. I feel like that era style is sort of coming back. I don't know how often I'll use this darker shade, but I will use the heck out of this one for sure. I do like it. It feels nice. It's not as creamy as I typically like. You guys know I love me the Jarred Cosmetics lip liners. I think those are absolutely wonderful. That gel creamy smoothness. I almost feel like, I wonder if you could actually put Devoted, the darker shade, like on your eyes, because it is deeper, but it is really nice, and I do like that. So that is everything that was in my Boxycharm by Ipsy for February. And honestly, I'm kind of surprised that at first I was like ho-hum about the body scrub, but Do of the Gods does have good things. But I love that scent, and it's so important. Like, think about it. You're exfoliating your face often. Like, you need to exfoliate your body for the nice smooth skin. I am glad that I did get this, and I love the scent of it. The blush color, perfect. Skincare, like I said, I'm kind of, I guess, I don't like to call it a no buy, because God forbid I tell myself I'm on a no buy, and what am I gonna do? I'm a Gemini. You tell me no, and I'm gonna say mm-mm. You're not my mom, you're not my dad, and even if you were, I probably wouldn't listen, because I am stubborn. So I am glad that I received that, because I will be using it. Like the lip liners. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Was that? Oh, and then 5. This, honestly, the Rare Beauty product, this is, I think, out of everything, the product that I may not reach for the most. I definitely want to play around with it more. If anything, I'm wondering if I could even pop it in the inner corner, or if it, no, it'll probably be a little too dark. So definitely more of like where I've got my shimmer now, which is the Cleona Cosmetics, if you guys are curious. Overall, I think it was a pretty decent box. Kind of excited about it. I'm more curious as to what's in store for the changes coming to Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts down below. What are you guys thinking? Like I said, I have no clue. So, but thank you again to Ipsy for sending this over my way. Anyways, friends, that is all for today's video. I'm gonna hop off and film a little PR unboxing. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to check me out on my other channels. I've been popping up a lot of shorts, especially over on Hotmess in the House, and then of course I've been very much active over on my fashion channel, uploading 2 to 3 times a week fashion try-on hauls plus shorts. So definitely check me out over there. Of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma04. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.